Let me tell you the story of a man named Rohan Mehta, a man who did everything right and still ended up with the biggest regret of his life. Rohan was that kid in school whom teachers adored and students barely remembered. While other kids played cricket, football, video games, Rohan played only one sport, finished the syllabus before the teacher starts it. Birthday parties? No time. Hanging out with friends? No chance. Crushes? Love is a distraction. He scored great grades and zero memories. Rohan entered engineering college hoping things would change. Spoiler alert, they didn't. While his classmates were exploring life, hostel nights, friendships, heartbreaks, festivals, Rohan was exploring the library seating chart. His social life consisted of the security guard who said, "Good morning, beta," the canteen uncle, and his laptop. He graduated top of his class, but couldn't name 5 people in his class. Rohan got a high-paying job, and on day 1, he worked so hard, the manager thought he was showing off. By month 2, he became that guy in the office. You know, the one who finishes his work and accidentally gets everyone else's work too. His bosses loved him. His colleagues loved him less. His life loved him not at all. Birthdays? Sitting in front of a laptop. Weekends? Laptop with better lighting. Vacations? Opening email from a different city. Then came marriage. His wife, Aisha, was loving and patient. But even during their honeymoon, Rohan said, "Baby, give me 15 minutes. I just need to reply to this email." Kids came. Responsibilities grew. Expenses grew. Work grew even faster. His life became work, eat, work, sleep, repeat. He missed school events, anniversaries, family dinners, vacations, health checkups, and basically life. But he kept earning, and earning, and earning, as if money could buy back time. Rohan retired at 60. Finally, freedom. But guess what? He kept working. He said, "What will I do sitting idle?" His body was tired. His mind was exhausted. But his habit of only working refused to leave him. At 78, Rohan lay on his deathbed. His children stood around him. His wife held his hand. And suddenly, his entire life replayed like a movie. Not achievements, not degrees, not salaries, but all the moments he missed. He realized he never danced, never traveled, never laughed with friends, never celebrated small things, never paused to breathe, never lived fully. His last words were soft, painful, and true. "I earned everything except a life." So the moral is, work hard, study well, build your future, but don't forget to live. Because Sparkle's money can be earned again. Sparkle's success can be achieved again. Crossmark, but time once lost never returns. Crossmark, health once damaged never fully recovers. Crossmark, your 20s won't come back when you're 40. Balance is not luxury, it's survival. Live your life. Create memories. Love people. Laugh often. Travel. Celebrate. And yes, work hard too, but not at the cost of your own life. Because in the end, your greatest achievement should be, "I lived well."